Things move fast in the world of industrial automation, and modern machine vision systems can help your business keep up. But you need to know how they work and which one is right for you. Machine vision is most commonly used for industrial applications, within warehouses, and supporting logistics or manufacturing. But what exactly is machine vision? Vision systems use a combination of sensors and cameras to replace human eyes. And with the help of dedicated software, they're able to make decisions based on what they observe in the world around them. Machine vision systems can closely inspect and measure components on an assembly line, flag defective units for removal, and read text and barcodes to verify the accuracy of packaging and labels. In turn, this reduces waste and improves efficiency. Custom vision machine systems can also track maintenance cycles and alert operators to malfunctions, paper jams, and other problems before they reach distribution or your customers. And these systems work quickly and safely and free up your human labor for more specialized or complex tasks. Machine vision prevents errors and injuries, and it creates a more productive work environment. With so many advantages to machine vision, you might already be thinking of ways to upgrade your existing space, and the team of engineers at L-Tron are here to help at every step.